So here is question number 2 from the GE paper 2 of Indian Economic Service 2024. So the question is, you are asked to write about national income, and and you have to answer that what changes are brought into the basic equation of a two-sector model. Two-sector means what? When in national income we only consider household and farms, that is two sectors. So if I am introducing government sector now, so it becomes C plus I plus G. So what are the basic changes? So that is what you have to write down. So how you will write down this answer is very important. So first of all, the first thing that you need to remember while you write this answer is that first you have to define national income, right? And then as you define national income, now national income can be measured using different approaches. One is GDP, another one is GNP, another one is NNP. All right. So this is the basic information that you have to give. That is, income method means sum of all the wage, profit, rents, and other forms of income received by nation's residents, right? Consumption, expenditure, and as well as value-added methods. So these are the different methods of calculating national income. Now, why is the measurement of national income so crucial so crucial? So there are several reasons for that. Okay. So number one is the economic performance assessment, and how the economy is performing from the previous year to the next year. If there is growth, if there is what is the rate of growth, if there is speedy recovery, if there is some downfall, and how it is working and how it is growing with respect to the other nations and countries, right? Next, it is helpful in making policies because government will use national income data to formulate and implement economic policies like the fiscal policies, right? Next is standard of living. To get an insight of standard of living and well-being of the population. Investment decisions are based on it. Economic planning and the forecasting of the future economic activities and growth prospect depends on it, and as well as income distribution. That understanding the distribution of national income will help in addressing what issues of income inequality and poverty. Right now, in the basic two sector model, the economic consists of what? Household and farms, right? So the model's primary equation we know is what? Y is equals to C plus I, right? Now, as we introduce the third sector G, so this is the basic equation. Now, what happens that as you introduce G, government sector has now different policies, fiscal parameters, right? That is tax also. So now suppose in the present of tax, that will affect the disposable income. Now it will be what? So let us write down here, say YD is equals to Y minus T, tax is deducted. Now this will in turn affect the consumption. So I can say that C is function of YD, right? That is function of Y minus T, correct? So that then the equation becomes Y is equals to C, which is function of Y minus T plus I plus G. Okay. So this is the extended form.